Hello everybody, welcome back. So in our last video, we started Eclipse, and Eclipse is your tool to create Android apps. It basically will compile all of your XML files, your Java programs, as well as other resources like images and in the form of PNG files, and even sound if your app uses sound. Even video files that you may insert in your app, right? So in this first app, we're running a template, which boils down to really is a hello world type of program. And you know, hello worlds are popular because it is a way to begin and add to it and build on top of it and see how the process works to learn how to then create your more sophisticated and professional programs. So we're going to do a hello world here. Now, the good news here with Eclipse, in addition to compiling everything for you, right, and putting together your .apk file in the background, is going to do that, create the APK file in the background instead of us having to search and create in other ways. You know, it's automatically done for you, as well as it will invoke your Android emulator, and it will run the app when you are testing it, when you're running it for the first time. So we're going to do just that. We have it open right here, and I'm pointing to the first app is selected. So I'm going to do right click on it, and I'm just going to then, from the menu that appears, choose run as Android app. So I click on that, and what's going to happen then now, it's going to invoke the Android emulator automatically for me, right? And well, it takes a little while to create this new, it's another virtual machine, right? You can see some messages in the background. I see a warning in there. I'm going to ignore it. It's only a warning. It's not an error. And as you can see, it's starting to run, right? So we wait a little bit. It's getting started. We did this by hand. And follow in the background, I'm not going to click on it because I want to keep my eye on the emulator. But in the background, you can see there are messages coming up about my first app. And there it is. So there's my Android phone. So the next thing I want to do is to unlock it. So I slide this lock button to the right, and I can see now my Android running, right? And without me doing anything, I didn't touch it. I just waited a little bit. It ran the app immediately. So this Hello World is the first app that we ran. So in fact, if I go home and I go to the menu right here, you will see that, let's scroll. Oops, sorry. I didn't mean to do the main activity like that. Or maybe that is the main activity. Sorry about that. Let's create this. Yeah, this is the main activity. Ha. The app's name is main activity, not first app, and I just double click on it and I ran Hello World. I was looking for first app, but it's main activity. So main activity is the name of the app, ultimately what gets downloaded. And there you go. So that's what I wanted to show you in this video recording. Nice and short, to the point, showing you how with Eclipse you can test your app, your development, what you are creating, and Eclipse automatically will run your Android emulator and will run your app. All right, then we will have more videos to go into more features and more things that we can do with this development. And so I invite you to explore. You can do the project for Module 4. And in Module 4, you actually get to modify this Hello World and put your name on it. So it's, or put another message. And you'll see that uh, simply by changing an XML file. All right, then for now, I'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye-bye.